Number 12 says, find the probability that you are dealt a 5 or a black card. So these events are not mutually exclusive because a card can be a 5 and a black card at the same time. So we need to find the number of 5s plus the number of black cards, and then subtract the number of black 5s, because we don't want to count them twice. So the number of 5s, there are 4 of them, the number of black cards, there are 26 of them, and then subtract the number of black 5s. So the overlap is these two right here. So we don't want to count them twice. So we need to subtract the overlap. And this is all over 52. So this is equal to 28 over 52, which reduces to 7 over 13. Number 13 says, find the probability that you are dealt a diamond or a face card. So we have 13 diamonds, and we have 12 face cards, and then we need to subtract the overlap. So how many cards are both diamonds and face cards? That would be these 3 right here. So because we don't want to count them twice, meaning they are included in both the 13 and the 12. So if we don't subtract anything, we're double counting them. So we need to subtract the overlap, or subtract the 3. And this is all over 52. So this is equal to 22 over 52, which reduces to 11 over 26.